Hey guys, this is Mark from MrHurricaneTracker.com. We got all eyes on Tropical Storm Colin, and Tropical Storm Colin, we have a little situation with that. Right now, it's stationary. According to the National Hurricane Center, the storm system has not moved yet, and we'll continue to watch that because that could give it a chance to develop into a better tropical storm. Maybe not a hurricane, but into a better and larger tropical storm. Right now, its maximum sustained winds are 35 knots or 40 miles per hour, which that could increase before it hits Bermuda, and its minimum central pressure is at 12 millibars. And if you're tracking it with us right here on Mr. Hurricane Tracker, it's located at 29.0 north and 65.8 west. And we're going to continue to keep an eye on this, as the National Hurricane Center says it has a chance of hitting Bermuda at 8 o'clock tomorrow. So for those of you who are in Bermuda, if you could bring us some information on what's happening, maybe some videos, we'd greatly appreciate that. And as we move on off to the South African coast here, we see that wave that came off. It looks like it's got a little spin in it. I'll circle that area. In fact, the National Hurricane Center is giving us a 60% chance of development into our next tropical storm or tropical depression. And this is located about 1,000 miles west-northwest of the Cape Verde Islands, kind of far, but it does have a west-northwest movement around 15 miles per hour. And once again, it has a high chance of 60% of becoming a tropical depression, another storm system that we have to keep an eye on. And right below that, there's another storm system that I will circle, as well as the other one up above that. This storm system is favorable for development as well, but the National Hurricane Center has not tagged it yet. So we'll continue to keep you posted on what's happening with that. And again, we have a little bit of waves coming off the South African coast that we'll keep an eye on. We're real small, but maybe not much to worry about. But right here, once again, we have a large area of showers and thunderstorms that are developing. In fact, I'll bring up the radar images from MrHurricaneTracker.com. If you go there to my website, you'll see this image that we're looking at is live, and I'll circle the areas that are in concern. So the main area right here is a 60%. As I circle that, you'll see 60% chance. There's a tiny bit of circulation, not that much, but there is a tiny bit of circulation in that storm system that we might have to worry about. It doesn't look very well right now, but it could develop into something better and bigger later on, especially if the storm behind it collides with it, just like the other one did. So we're going to continue to watch that and bring you the up-to-date information. And this other storm right here is what I'm talking about. As I circle it, has a very good chance of developing right now. Maybe not, but maybe once it moves off a little bit better organized and get a lot more showers and storms, could have a chance of actually being tagged by the National Hurricane Center. So we'll keep you posted and see what's going on in that area. And we also have a little storm that's headed out to the Honduras area, but does not have a chance of development at this time. Do not forget about Tropical Storm Estelle. Tropical Storm Estelle is moving away from Mexico, which is good news, and its location is 17.1 north, 107.6 west, and only moving at 9 miles per hour or 8 knots. And its minimum central pressure winds are at, our maximum sustained winds are at 45 knots and 50 miles per hour, and its minimum central pressure is at 1,000 millibars. So we don't have much to worry about this storm as it moves on off west. And we do have to worry about Tropical Storm Colin, which is going to have an impact on Bermuda. So Bermuda, please stay tuned to Mr. Hurricane Tracker right here on YouTube, and also check out the latest on what's happening out there in the Atlantic. So thank you very much for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and comment. And everybody have a great day.